the world's first mason jar portable blender. At Blendquik, we reimagined and reinvented mason jars so you can supercharge your day with fresh smoothies anytime, anywhere. Blendquik is the first travel blender with a spill-proof lock. Forget about the mess, just enjoy the freshness. Silky drinks are now a reality thanks to our 8-blade blending system. Enjoy your favorite drink in less than a minute. Taco Tuesday can now be Taco Week with a quick, smooth guacamole really on the go. Baby's hungry and want to stay healthy? No problem. Baby gourmet food using just one finger. Just fill the jar up to the level indicator with your favorite ingredients and liquids. Mix and done. Our cordless Blendquik can serve up to 10 drinks with just one full charge. Just plug the USB-C charger in and be ready in no time. And if you forget to unplug it, the overcharge protection will always keep your blender safe and running for a long time. You can charge Blendquik practically anywhere on the go. At home, at work, in a car, using a laptop, or with a power bank. Done for the day? Just add some warm water, press the button, and bam! Blendquik is ready for a new day and adventures. We developed Blendquik as a way to stay healthy while helping our planet by reducing plastic waste. Only in the US, 50 billion plastic cups are thrown into the oceans and landfills annually. Globally, this number goes up to 500 billion cups, polluting the environment every year. We can stay healthy by going green. Reusing Blendquik's mason jar for your everyday drinks is our solution for reducing our carbon footprint. You can also save money in less than a month by becoming a Blendquiker today. Drink fresh, spend smart, and heal our planet with Blendquik. Blend fresh in under 1 minute with Blendquik.